What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you saw my video yesterday, you saw the cold start and my price breakdown and my advice. If you didn't see that, go give it a little check out. I got some good advice at the end of it. But if you followed my rebuild, you know I just rebuilt the engine, fully rebuilt. I used a whole brand new gasket set in it and everything. So I'm here today to tell you about valve cover leaks and what I had to do to get rid of one that would just not go away. So again, brand new valve cover gaskets, brand new Healy coils in the rocker box. All of the bolts were brand new, so they have threads, so there's no reason why that valve cover should have leaked oil. It's the stupidest damn design. But anyway, let me flip you around and I'll show you what I did. Okay, so this is about what the shape of that valve cover gasket looks like, and this goes right underneath, like just picture like that's the valve cover right there, and that's the writing that is right there. So we'll just pretend like the valve cover's on top of this gasket. Anyway, so that's the shape of it. What I had to do was that TA31 Motorcraft sealant, I had to take it and start about the midway point, and I ran a bead all the way to the other midpoint and let it cure for 12 hours. Flipped it over, did the same thing to the other side, let it cure for 12 hours because I didn't want the RTV to stick to the rocker box or the valve cover. So I just wanted there to be a raised surface where it would actually give some points of contact that will hold the oil inside the valve cover there. It was kind of a pain in the ass. It took me about a week before I finally broke down and did the RTV method. I steadily tried tightening them, taking it off, and inspecting the gasket itself, all kinds of stuff. But as of this morning, it's been, I think, about 3 or 4 days now, and absolutely zero leaks. So if you're having that problem and it just continues to leak, I would give this a shot and not care what anybody else on the internet thinks, because at least my truck's not dropping oil on the ground anymore. Anyways, thanks for watching, and peace.